Abanyakasese na munonga abarikutuura haihi n'omugyera gwa Nyamwamba basibire omu mashemererwa bwanyuma y'okubakwasa ekyoma ky'omwani omwanya gw'ebyoburambuzi n'omwanya ogw'okwegyeraho obukugu omu kuhinga. Emyogo erimu okuhinga ebijuma, okuriisa ebyenyanja, ebihumi by'enjoki, okubyara emiti aha myegyeko y'omugyera gwa Nyamwamba, omwanya gw'oburambuzi ogurikutaahiza abatuura 5,600,000 buri mwaka, factory y'omwani hamwe n'ebindi baba bakwasize okubasa kwihamu entaasya.
Okugeza nk'okutunga enjoki, kutunga ebyenyanja, kuhinga emiti y'ebijuma, kuhinga emboga hamwe no kutaho center erabasa kwakira abageni ninga tourist center erabasa kugira ngo ogumwanya oguriho hot spring.
But now at the moment this community, this shed and the hot spring itself has now given over 40 jobs to the people around here. And now we can restore because now they are no longer cutting the water reeds.
Looking at now this issue of planting trees, but alongside it, I was very excited. There's that element of economic development to the people affected, and this is the reason we have this project.
And they have not only stopped at that, but they have gone ahead to skill the people so that they get skill that can help them to be able to create for what they need to eat tomorrow.
Abakwasira empatana y'okuheereza abatuura ab'emyoga y'okubiiha omu bworo aba Worldwide Fund for Nature Uganda mu buku Irrigation Farmers Association NRDI nibagira ngu emyoga egi neeza kwongyera abatuura aha ntaasya.
Bashororize esente zirarenga miliyoni 5,600 kandi ogu mwaka guturimu wa 2024 bari kuteekateka ngo barabasa kushoroza zirarenga miliyoni 100. Ezo sente zakuba zirayamba abantu kwegesa nk'abana barugire mu mashomero bateye qualification.
We have to bring in order these people to appreciate countrywide, to appreciate that they have to protect their environment. They have to be brought on board with alternatives.
Minisita w'ebyamizi n'ebyobuhangwa asiimire emirimo ekozirwe kandi ahigire n'okwizusya enganzi y'ihanga okushashura itaka eri gavumenti yagurira abantu abahungire omu maka gaabo ab'omwegyemuro ogu omu mwaka gw'2020 obwa hati abakiri kutuura nk'empungi. Ndi Michael Tumwakire abwa TV West omuri Kasese.